By Appliance Video. Today we're going to take a look at why is your freezer's ice maker not producing any ice. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. When it's too hot outside and you're looking to cool down with an ice-cold fruit punch, the last thing you want to find is an empty bin with no ice in your freezer. We have 3 quick checks that you can do to help diagnose your ice maker and get it working again. First, check if any frozen ice is in the ice maker tray. If you don't feel anything, this may indicate that your ice maker is not going through a harvest cycle. Take a look at your freezer's temperature. It needs to be 16 degrees Fahrenheit for the ice maker to cycle. If these temperatures are not reached, the thermostat inside the ice maker will not close, thus no harvest cycle and no ice is produced. The second check is to see if your water supply to your ice maker is flowing properly. A saddle valve connects the water line of your home to the water valve behind your refrigerator. Make sure the saddle valve is turned on. It needs to be turned counterclockwise for the water to flow to the ice maker. After making sure the valve is on, pull out your refrigerator to check for a kinked water line that would prevent water flow. If you still do not produce ice after checking your freezer's temperature and water supply, then you may have a defective water saddle valve, water solenoid valve, or a defective ice maker that needs to get replaced. For advanced DIYers, our third check involves troubleshooting your water pressure. Shut off the saddle valve by turning it clockwise and go grab a large 5-gallon bucket. Take the line off the water solenoid valve, place it in the bucket, and turn on the water saddle valve. If you're getting full water pressure, this could indicate you need to replace the water solenoid valve. If there's no water flow, this could indicate that you have a bad saddle valve. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.